Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your Windows activities history into your Windows 11. So what you need to do, just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, you just need to come over into privacy and security, and then you just need to come over into activity history. So if you click on that, then you'll get an option called activity history over here. So if you just turn it on, and then you just need to select store my activity history on this device, and then you can simply click on click history, and here you can see there is a notification called this will clear all your activity history for me this on this email address, and from this device you won't be able to resume any cleared activities. If you click on clear, it will show you this like sign over here, and yeah, this is how you can clear your activity history in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.